This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make city pop. This vibrant genre, originating in Japan, combines elements of funk, disco, R&B, and jazz fusion. It's known for its sophisticated sound and often evokes a sense of urban romance and nostalgia. We'll explore the essential musical components, production techniques, and the overall atmosphere needed to capture that iconic city pop vibe. Let's dive into creating your own smooth, groovy tracks. To build your city pop track, start with rich harmonies. Employ jazz-influenced chords such as major 7, minor 9, and suspended chords to create that signature sophisticated feel. The bass line is crucial. It should be melodic and groovy, often featuring slap bass techniques. Drums need to be tight and precise, providing a solid, danceable foundation. Craft memorable melodies, frequently enhanced with lush vocal harmonies for a full sound. When arranging your city pop song, layering is key to achieving a rich sound. Combine different synth pads, guitars, and keyboards to build depth. Use generous amounts of reverb and delay to give your track a spacious, dreamy atmosphere. Vocals should sit prominently in the mix, often with a touch of compression to ensure clarity. Don't shy away from adding authentic brass sections or elegant string arrangements for that extra touch of class. Finally, to truly capture the city pop vibe, immerse yourself in its aesthetic. Think about the vibrant, often idealized urban landscapes of 1980s Japan. Aim for a mood that can be nostalgic, optimistically bright, or even sweetly melancholic. Experiment with vintage synthesizer sounds and classic drum machines to get that authentic texture. Listening to iconic artists like Tatsuro Yamashita and Maria Takeuchi will provide invaluable stylistic guidance for your own creations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.